Good evening. Welcome to North Carolina Global Center in synergy with Atomy Atlanta Center in today's Sunday Zoom meeting. It's the blessed day of July 13, 2025. Before anything else, let's start the company motto. I will demonstrate that when I say Atomy, are you ready? And everybody in synergy say yes. And I say go. We cherish the spirit, create the vision, arms up and down, follow the faith, serve in humility. Then we yell, Aja, Aja, Aja. I think that's clear. Atomians, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go!
Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, serve in humility. Acha, acha, acha.
Yeah.
That's very good. That's very good. That's an energy what we're looking for tonight. Before I will introduce to you the guest speaker for tonight, let's say thank you to ourselves for spending time with us tonight and investing your time. And I know this will be a very, very productive night for all of us. In tonight's speaker, hail from Singapore. I have known her for years, a hardworking individual, and learning about her journey, knowledge, and skills in doing Atomy. That's why tonight she says, why Atomy? With no further introduction, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the sales master from Singapore, Belen Padilla. How are you, Belen, sales master?
Hello, thank you. Let me just share my screen.
Okay, SM Belen, the floor is yours. Your
Is my
moment.
screen good?
It is good.
Okay, hello and welcome everyone. How's everyone? I'm glad to see you all and thank you for joining us. Okay, so I will not further delay. Just to introduce myself, I am SM Belen Padilla from Atomy, Singapore. Unlike common stories that I've heard before, that many of our leaders started by hiding their Atomy products to their partners or maybe hiding the fact that they are attending Atomy seminars, I am lucky to have a very supportive husband, SM Ramil Padilla, who journeyed with me in Atomy from the very beginning. We are gifted with two children. Our son is the very first member on our lineage. And our daughter, who just turned to 18 years old last December, is also now proud Atomian and helping me to promote Atomy products. Before I met Atomy, I am working as a quality system engineer in a manufacturing company here in Singapore. But being employed for a long time is not a guarantee that you will have job forever. Actually, I lost my job in January 2024 because the company decided to close down the plant in Singapore and expand to other countries because of the cost consideration. A bit expensive here in Singapore. But luckily, I already met Atomy in December 2021 and I know that Atomy is my backup. When Atomy was introduced to me by my church friend, I attended Zoom meeting and I was immediately hooked. Learning that it is totally free to start Atomy, I said to myself, there's no harm trying. Anyway, nothing to lose. I attended Zoom meeting daily and we tried the products like the toothpaste, toothbrush. We tried the herbal shampoo, hair tonic, and we are amazed. The products are really great and functional. They are working. Yes, When you try the Atomy toothpaste, you will notice that the breath is still fresh in the morning. As in, there is no morning bad breath. And look at my husband's hair. After using the hair tonic for a few months, his hair become thicker. We can say that the product is really effective. I really became crazy in Atomy, and I became sales master in March 2022. I attended Success Academy in Singapore and even fly to Philippines to attend Success Academy and seminars. I already met several Imperial Masters and great leaders. I also joined Atomy promotional contests like Mom, You Are Special, a Mother Day contest here in Singapore, and I won the first place. I was also invited to share my life scenario here in Singapore, and I am proud to say that my life scenario speech can be watched in Channel Atomy Singapore. Through Atomy, I also have a good bonding with my husband because we usually do our facial session on weekends using our Atomy Evening Care 4 sets. He is also serving in humility. He is doing his exercise, cycling, and delivering Atomy products to our consumers here in Singapore. I would say that Atomy became our way of life, and it is not just my backup plan, but it will be our retirement business. Maybe you will ask why? Why Atomy? Maybe you will also, some other people will think, why are these people crazy and always talking about Atomy? Let me share some points why I choose Atomy. There are 4 factors that I considered important when doing business or when joining multi-level marketing. Number 1 is quality, the trend, marketing plan, and growth. Let's go through one by one. First is quality. For a business to last, quality is very important. No matter if your business is about products or services, if the quality is not good, you will not have repeat customers. You will not have auto consumers. And if you don't have repeat customers or auto consumers, most likely the business will not last. In Atomy, we are proud to say that our products are of absolute quality and absolute price. You cannot find better product than Atomy that can offer the price that we have. Our products have the best quality and unmatchable price. If other company tried to offer the same quality as Atomy products, we are sure that their product have higher price. And if they try to match our price, sure, their quality is lower than Atomy. That's why we can say that Atomy can offer the best quality at the best possible price. Other than the best price that Atomy offers, Atomy products are functional, meaning it is true to its purpose. As an Atomian, I am always proud to say that our flagship product, Himuhim, was developed as part of South Korean government project. It goes for more than 8 years of research and development by Kerry. It has 23 international patents and Korea's first dual functionality for immune enhanced and fatigue improvement. To know that our flagship product, Himuhim, ranked #1 in the industry for more than 10 years, or 10 years, consecutive 10 years, it is already a sign that quality is indeed the best. But other than Himuhim, we can also be proud of our Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set, the very first cosmetic industry to receive King Sejong Award. This award is for all patented technology in all industries, including aviation, engineering, and more. Imagine, Atomy Absolute technology came out on top. How can we not be proud of? This is already a good measure to be proud on the quality of absolute products. But take note, other than King Sejong Award, Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare also won IR52 Jang Yongshil Award, a patent technology award, and was also selected next generation first class product. Atomy was also given NEP, or the New Excellent Product Certificate. With these awards and achievements, there is no doubt Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare is the best when we talk about beauty products. Not only Himuhim and Absolute Cell Active Skincare, there's a lot of Atomy products of high quality that we can use all the time, from morning until evening before we sleep. We can say that most of our daily necessities are already here in Atomy. We have the Cafe Arabica, probiotics, omega-3, vitamin C. We have laundry detergent, shampoo, conditioner, this detergent, sponge. We have the Medicook, and a lot more. So it's for you to explore and try all of them. Okay, next consideration for me is the trend. Is the business on current trend? Is the company able to respond to changing consumer preferences? Can the company adapt to current trends such as sustainability, technology, or personalization? If the company is left behind, how can we succeed? Well, as we all know, online shopping is now the trend. Add to cart is now a common language for online shoppers. And Atomy is an online distribution of products. We are on trend. Another good thing about Atomy is it is global, meaning our market is so wide. It is an online global platform. Yes, Atomy is a platform business, which is also a trend now. Our CEO said if we will not do the difference between those platform owners and sorry for that, and those normal individuals will be very different, because now platform owners will be those who will become really rich. And Atomy, as I have mentioned, is a platform business. It's like, oh my God, why is it changing? Sorry. Okay. So Atomy is like Amazon, eBay, Lazada, Shopee. It is a platform business that connects consumers and producers. To get better understanding what Atomy platform business is, let us watch this short video. Oh my God, sorry. Can you see the video?
Is being vacuumed into gigantic platforms. This is especially so for the distribution industry. It is forecasted that the gap between those that own platforms and those that merely use those platforms will become more extreme than ever before. Could there be a way for individuals to share platforms? Individualization of platform. This is where Atomy's personal platform business began. A superorganism that is one of a whole, in entirety. Business became possible with Atomy, the only direct sales business that could compete against existing major platforms through absolute quality and absolute price. With its absolute products and absolute prices, GSGS strategy, education system, global one market, and magnetic board system, Atomy can now be indefinitely expanded. The Atomy personal platform business grows and expands based on competitive product. Absolute quality and absolute price is the definite reason our 15 million members cannot help but choose Atomy amongst the many distribution channels. This is the core value of the virtuous circle in which the Atomy personal platform business grows, and more members continue to choose Atomy. Maximize the added value created by the Atomy personal platform business. Atomy secures and provides products with absolute quality and absolute prices from all over the world under its GSGS strategy. According to the GSGS strategy, individual markets divided by countries are unified into one under the Atomy personal platform business. Atomy runs an education system for personal platform business owners, a fusion of cutting-edge relay system and business culture, ENN, entertainment and media, XR, extended reality, allowing product experience and virtual tours through augmented reality is a part of the Atomy education support system, which guarantees communication for success amongst members all over the world without the restriction of time or space. The Atomy member network is moved directly to the Atomy personal platform business and approaches the world as a single market. Nationality, race, gender, age, there is no discrimination when it comes to compensation for added value created from the personal platform. People from various nationalities and races form communities to work toward a common goal. Atomy's compensation system plays a role of a powerful magnetic board to keep the Atomy personal platform business owners from leaving the platform. The profit from using great products and the monetary profit from the compensation system is enough to keep consumers like magnets on the magnetic board and as Atomy's customers. The personal platform is a personal platform, open for use for all Atomy members. Non-member purchase has now become possible, and the more connected members and consumers, the greater value a personal platform will have. Through consilience and AI, big data technology, and the 2 patents Atomy obtained, all of this will be technically realized. The Atomy personal platform business also provides product suggestion and procurement services for consumers who are not members of Atomy. You can suggest the personal platform, meet consumers, introduce products to consumers without the restrictions of time and space. Also, continuous and automatic sales campaigns such as product promotion, repurchase notification, additional product suggestion can also be done through the Atomy personal platform business. Coinciding with the borderless aspect of the one market policy of global Atomy, the personal platform business opens a limitless market of 7.7 billion consumers worldwide to its owners. Where members can own individual platforms and create profit without capital or technology. The personal platform is open for use to all Atomy members. and it can be easily individualized with your own know-how and contacts, allowing members to realize their own platform businesses. Members can use their platforms to sell products like an internet shopping mall and promote their platforms through various social media outlets, such as YouTube or Instagram, require excellent content production skills, which affects the number of followers, resulting in the overall power of the platform. However, the Atomy personal platform is not based on an individual's followers, but the group's followers, and expands indefinitely. The Atomy personal platform business suggests a whole new paradigm of distribution. Now, through the Atomy personal platform business, it's your turn to take the lead of a new distribution system.
Okay, so have you watched the video? Actually, after watching the video, if you can realize how good Atomy is, you will really be crazy like me. I have a friend who is also doing online business in other platform, but the difference is, oh, I'm sorry. The difference is she need to put a lot of effort to make content on her platform. And she can only benefit from the sales of those who buy from her own, meaning on whatever she put on her platform. Oh, why the screen is moving? So sorry for that. And also like a content creator. Maybe if you have a talent to be content creator, you will earn from those video that you will upload. But unlike Atomy's personal platform, we will not only benefit from the sales of our own online shopping mall, but also from all who are linked to our account, meaning for all of our partners, whatever sales they have from their platform, we will also benefit from that. So with that, with Atomy personal platform business, oh, why is it moving? I'm so sorry for that. The individualization of the platform, all I can say is wow. And take note, we can have this platform for free. Even we do not have capital or we do not have technology, we don't have the talent to do any contents or what, everything is already there. We became like a platform owner in Atomy. It's just like being owner of Amazon, Lazada, Shopee, but even more. Because for us, we benefit from all our group members as well. That's why in Atomy, we are helping each other. Because as we help our group members, we will also succeed. So with the Atomy individualization of the platform, I will say that Atomy is not just on trend, but Atomy is ahead and leading the trend. Let's now talk about marketing plan. So another factor that made me decide to do Atomy is the marketing plan. Okay, there are 5 features and strength of Atomy business. And with these features and strength, we can see how success became inevitable in Atomy. With this very good business, with a very good company, we will all succeed. Okay, first one is Atomy is using binary marketing, meaning we only need to build 2 group of consumers, the left group and right group consumers. With only 2 groups to build, it is easier to concentrate and to help or support our team members. So how good is that? Unlike in other network marketing or multi-level marketing where they have so many heads, it is very difficult to support your partner. Unlike in Atomy, we take good care of our partners like our own babies. The second strength of Atomy is being free to enter. Meaning, as I have mentioned, our personal platform is free. It's free to have the Atomy personal platform. We don't have membership fee, no monthly and annual fee, no auto ship, no website usage fee, no starter package or kit, and no membership cancellation fee. In Atomy, there is no auto ship. There is no obligation at all. We only need to buy whatever we need anytime we want. And those products that we will buy have point value. When we buy our daily necessities from our own shopping mall, we can accumulate personal point value. And when we share our experience for using Atomy products, and maybe we also share the business opportunity. How good is Atomy? We can build our binary consumers. And when our group member or our consumer group members bought their daily necessities from their own online shopping mall, we can accumulate group point value. That group point value can be converted to cash in the form of commission. The third strength of Atomy is unlimited PB or unlimited point value. In Atomy, there is no time frame. We are not time bounded, meaning if one of your consumer group generates group PB is lower compared to the other, the system will patiently wait until your weaker side reaches 300,000 PB for you to earn commission. Even if it takes weeks, months, or years, the group points will not expire. Unlike in other company, if you didn't hit the target on a specific period, you will be back to zero. The effort is wasted. We also have unlimited level. There is no limit. You can have thousands or millions of partners around the world. And every purchases of your members, the point value of their purchase will also go to your group point value. How good is that? There is no limit. If you have business partners also growing their team, the growth of your business will be exponential. It will not be just your effort, but the effort of the whole team. The fourth strength is Global One Marketing. As mentioned earlier, our Atomy personal platform business is global. It is available in 27 regions. That includes our headquarters in Korea. Atomy is available in around 56 countries because UK have many countries there. That's how big our market in Atomy. With the technology and social media, it's very easy to reach out to anyone, anywhere in the world. The opportunity is there. We can build our business globally. It's just up to us to work on it or not. Imagine if you have your consumer group around the world with the unlimited level and unlimited PB accumulation. Success in Atomy is really possible. The fifth strength, which I also like in Atomy, is the compensation ceiling. In Atomy, there is equal opportunity No matter if you just joined today and those who joined earlier, depend on your effort. We will see each other on the top, as they always said. The company sets compensation ceiling that makes it possible for the new members to reach the same compensation as those who joined earlier. I would say that Atomy has the most righteous marketing plan. If I can earn $900 daily commission plus the mastership bonuses just by using Atomy products, which are of absolute quality and absolute price, natural and herbal ingredients, it's healthier choice. Why will I not be crazy in Atomy? If you want to learn more details about Atomy compensation plan, please always attend Atomy seminars or get back to the person who invited you. Okay, after getting some idea about Atomy's absolute quality and absolute price, its ability to adapt or even lead the market trend and the marketing plan, let us now talk about growth, the fourth factor I considered. If you will join a company or a multi-level marketing business, one important factor to look on is the growth. What is the company's performance? How confident are we that the company will stay long? Sometimes there will be a lot of company popping up. At the very beginning, they are very good. But after few years or maybe months, suddenly gone. But in Atomy, let's see. Okay, this is a screenshot from a direct selling news. It is the global ranking of 100 direct selling company. If you will notice, Atomy is at number 20 in 2018. And in just 2 years, in 2020, Atomy became number 12. And in 2024, we already ranked number 10. This is a significant achievement, knowing that Atomy is only 16 years old. Atomy only started in 2009, while other company on the list have been existing for more or less 50 years. You can also notice that some of the famous brands that we know, their ranking is going down, while Atomy is rising up. Indeed, Atomy's growth is undeniable. Let's also look on a financial stability indicators of Korea's top 500 distribution company. Actually, these slides I just get from the post from Atlanta Center. So this is the ranking in 2024. Atomy ranked number 1 in all financial categories. We are number 1 in cash ratio. This means Atomy holds more than enough cash to cover all its short-term obligations. It's over 7 times the industry average. So why it is important? In times of economic crisis or uncertainty, cash is the king, and Atomy is a cash-rich, risk-resistant company. We are also number 1 in liquidity ratio. This tells us Atomy is extremely well positioned to handle any short-term liabilities without stress. This is a sign of excellent financial health and stability. Talking about interest coverage ratio, Atomy is also ranked number 1. Most companies need to pay interest to banks or lenders. Atomy doesn't need to pay a single penny in interest. That's because Atomy has zero debt interest. Another rare achievement. Of course, since Atomy has zero debt interest, Atomy is also number one in debt ratio. This is the most telling figure. While other companies rely heavily on debt to survive, Atomy keeps its debt low and its books clean. It gives incredible flexibility and long-term sustainability. So with this, we can see that Atomy is growing and will continue to grow. In conclusion, Atomy is not surviving in the market. It's leading by example. We have absolute quality, absolute price products capable to adapt to current trends such as sustainability, technology, or personalization. And not just we adapt, we are leading. Our marketing plan is very righteous that we can get at least $900 daily on the commission alone. That is on top of those mastership bonus. And Atomy ranked number one in all major stability indicators among top 50 distribution companies in Korea. So with low risk, high trust, long-term vision. And not just that. There is another reason why I choose to do Atomy. Our Atomy account is transferable up to third generation. It's like we are already preparing the future of our children and grandchildren. Whatever effort we invest in Atomy will not be wasted. I don't know if you attended my previous presentation about the future of works with the technology that is very always advancing with those AI and everything now mostly done by robotics. We know that in future, the manpower demand will be lesser and lesser because most of the job that we are currently working became automated. So it means that the future of our children and grandchildren is very, I don't know, not so predictable. It will be more difficult for them to find job. That's why if we can prepare for their future just by changing our daily necessities to Atomy products, why will we not do it? Whatever we invest, whatever effort we invest in Atomy will not be wasted. And our chairman said, it is a miracle not to be successful in Atomy. So with this, we can say that Atomy is a company that we can build our life on. This is why we confidently say Atomy is the business of the future. And this is why I choose Atomy. How about you? What are you doing now? What are you waiting with the Atomy personal platform individualization and the easy easy purchase and the quick join features of our platform? Now it is very easy to share Atomy. If we will not move now, if we will still take it slow, later on maybe you will realize, oh, I wasted a lot. So with that, I hope you learned something from my presentation. Thank you very much, and back to you, SM Ping.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Before we'll proceed to our second part of this Zoom meeting, let's recite the company motto to end up the presentation. Atomians, let's go together. Ready?
Yep.
Go!
Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, learn in humility. Acha, acha,
Acha! Acha!
Acha!